6-pack abs for beginners you can do anywhere. Hello and welcome back to Healthy Drops. Before we start, I would like you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Today I'm going to show you a 6-pack abs workout that you can do anywhere, and this workout is going to be perfect for beginners because a lot of these moves are exercises that you can just get right into. You don't really have to have any prior knowledge on how to do this. These are basic movements, but they are super effective when it comes to burning fat and getting a 6-pack abs. The best of all, these exercises require zero equipment. All you need is your body and the ground and gravity, and you're good to go. Now, this routine I've checked for you guys is gonna have a mixture of fat burning exercises, abs sculpting exercises, and we're going to be using different exercises to target different areas of your abs. The abdominals is a very big muscle group, which is gonna require a lot of different types of exercises to target every single area. The upper abs, lower abs, middle of your abs, your obliques, and everything else in between. So, to be really aesthetic, you have to target all aspects of that muscle group. And of course, we're going to be incorporating fat-burning exercises to burn that layer of fat right top of our abs, to make them really show, to make them a lot more aesthetic. And the best of all, this ab routine is going to make your core super strong. These are the same exercises that I got started with and I still use to this day. With the right nutrition and the workout that I'm right about to show you guys, it doesn't matter if you are a beginner or advanced. This workout is going to get you shredded. And best of all, you can do this anywhere. So there are absolutely no excuses. So let's go and do this together, guys. Are you ready? 1. First exercise is going to be a high knee taps. We're gonna go for 45 seconds on 50 seconds off. Let's go for it. Make sure to stay breathing, guys. Just regulate that breathing. And this is going to be a piece of cake. So right now we're getting our whole body moving, getting that heart rate up and start burning that fat. This is also going to get your body ready so that when we move into those harder core exercises, it's really gonna take a stronger effect because we can get everything fired up. Whew. Alright. 2. Next one we have Russian twist. Let's go right into it. So legs up, keep those legs straight, touch one side, touch the other side, keep that core tight, regulate that breathing. Don't give up, guys. We're just getting started. Pace yourself. If you can go fast, challenge yourself and go for it. If you can only go slow, take it easy and chill. Eventually, you're going to get a lot better at this. The most important thing is to make sure that your form is on point and everything else will progress. We're on our way to 6-pack abs. Keep those cores tight. 3. Alright, next exercise we have is the leg raises. You guys ready for that? Let's go for it. Alright, so all the way up, all the way down. You want to come to about 6 inches off the ground. Make sure you're going all the way up and all the way down. Keep those legs straight. There we go. Almost there, guys. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, there we go. 4. Alright, next move we have is hip raises. Alright, here we go, guys. This move form is everything. Legs straight out, tied together. You're gonna bring them in and you'll bring your body up. Back down, straight out. Let's go for it. Form is everything in this one, guys. Keep that breathing. Whew. Alright, now you're starting to feel it. Hopefully. 5. Okay, so the next move we have is flutter kicks. Let's go right into those. Leg straight, core tight from this position. One leg up, one leg down. This is an excellent move for tightening that core. Strengthening that core, also burning that fat. This is one of my favorites. I literally started off on this move right here. This is one of the first ones I ever did for abs. This is one of those excellent moves that target that lower core. That's normally one of the most hardest places to hit. 6. Alright, now let's get into some planks. We are going to use a different angle to target those abs, right? And also a different flex too. Let's go right into it. We're gonna go into a plank. We bring one knee up, come back down. Other one up and come back down. Let's go for it. It's all about control. Keep that core tight the whole time, guys. Don't ever loosen it. That's the most important part. Bring those knees up. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any amazing videos from us.